Hi, scientists. Today and tomorrow, we're going to be working on pollination and plant reproduction. So we've already heard both of those words, but pollination and plant reproduction. Let's learn more about what we're doing. So today, we are going to be learning how a flower is pollinated so that I can understand the function. Remember, the word function is just job. So that I can understand the job of each flower part in the pollination process. I will know I've got it when I can explain how pollen is moved from one flower to another flower by bees. So as we get started today, here's what I want you to think about. What do I already know about plants and how plants grow, and also about the process of pollination? So when you take a look at our flower, we already know that a flower is a plant. And if we look at the inside of our flower, we see some parts that help with pollination. So what are those parts? And how does all of that work together? For our lesson today and tomorrow, we will be using Mystery Science, and there will be a link for you in your Google Classroom. But as we begin watching Mystery Science today, we are going to only watch about half of it today, and then we'll watch the other half tomorrow. But I want you to think, as you watch, think about why bees are very important in helping plants to grow flowers. So you'll click on your link in your Google Classroom, and you're going to get started by going to Mystery Science. You're going to watch, for our mini lesson, this part.
Hi, it's Doug. You ever seen a lemonade?
Okay, you'll watch this section of the video. When you get to the end, you'll click the blue arrow. And we're going to think, why are bees important? What do we know about pollination? Two questions we've already been thinking about. But after you've watched a little bit, do you have answers yet? Then you'll click the blue arrow again. You'll learn about vanilla seed pods. Just keep going.
When we talk about vanilla beans or seed pod.
As I watch that, when I'm finished with that section, I'm going to push the blue arrow, and then I want you to look at these flowers. Can you find the pollen dusters and stigma on these flowers? So as you can tell, there's going to be a few of these. There's 1, 2, 3, and then something for us to think about in 4. Now that you know the stigma needs pollen on it, in order for the seed pod to grow, what can you do in your greenhouse? So then you're going to click the blue arrow again, and we're going to watch a little bit more information.
So after learning all this,
on a stigma, when you get to the end of that section, you're just going to click blue one more time. And then you're going to be to this video about bees. As you watch that video, be thinking about the question at the top. And then we're going to stop here for today. Tomorrow, we'll come right back to this part. So stop here for today when you're finished, and then go back to your teacher video. And then I want to help you with another vocabulary word. So today we've heard the word pollen. That's the powdery stuff that has to be moved from one flower to another flower in order for a plant's seed pods to form. It is often yellow in color. And then you'll work with your teacher on your guided practice.